Alright, technicalness want to know how I clean my shotgun barrel, so this is how I do it. And this is what I was talking about, the spray rim oil. I don't use any harsh chemicals whatsoever. All I use is rim oil and clean bore. This stuff's pretty thick. I use the rim oil to clean it, and then I wipe the outside of everything down with this, let it sit for a little while, and wipe it back off. This is what I use like on the rails and everything on my pistols. Been using it for years, it's worked great. I don't use any harsh chemicals whatsoever. All I use is oil, but this thing's not very dirty. All it took was 4 shots out of it, but let's see if I can get a shot. It's got a little bit of crap in there, but I just plugged the end of the barrel up. Some of these patches, just 2 of them will work fine. I mean, I just shove them in there to keep the oil from blasting out. And you can use the regular rim oil for this. I did for years, but when I discovered this on the search for Ballistol, it's just a lot easier. I just blast that joker and I'll let it sit. I'll let it sit for a few, maybe, it just depends. It's not very dirty, so I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and I'll be back. Alright, after you let it sit for a while, just get a 12 gauge brush and I just wear that bastard out. So this is it. Some people will tell you, hold on, sorry, camera's upside down. Some people will tell you to only push it through one direction. You know, man, this is a freaking shotgun. It's not a Desert Eagle, and this is how I freaking clean my barrel. I worked the hell out of that shit. And this thing was not very dirty, so it's not going to take much to clean it, but if it's I clean mine after every time I go shooting, so, and that's probably got it right there. So after that, and don't use gloves. If you wear gloves to clean your freaking gun, you're a pussy. I'm sorry. I'm not about calling people out on shit, but I laugh my ass off when I see somebody cleaning their gun with freaking gloves on. Come on. It's oil, not acid. Well, I guess some of you guys probably do put acid on your guns to clean them, not me. Alright, after that, just get another patch and I put on the end, just like that. Push it right out the other side. It's good stuff. Sorry, bear with the camera here. I'm upside down. So, yeah, and look, that's all it took. I'll go ahead and do it again, just without a little pad. There you go. The inside is clean. And then on the outside, I'll use this clean bore. And I'll just wipe the entire thing down. Just cover absolutely every little spot. And hold on just a second. Then I just get an old rag. Wipe everything down. Of course, if it was dirtier, it'd take a little more time, but you saw the video, I only put 4 shots through it, no bullshit. So, after that, I'll run this through it one more time. All right, there you go. Just like brand new. That's how I clean my shotgun barrel. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.